Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. So to do this, you have to open the settings and then scroll down until you find applications, select manage apps, and right now click to uninstall. And here you are able to select any application that you want to remove from your phone. For example, I'm gonna get rid of Facebook. So select and then click uninstall, click OK. And as you can see, that's how you can do this. There's also some kind of the application that you cannot remove, like for example the camera. So basically all of the default system apps. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.